Hi friends, this is the math lesson for second grade. This is Unit 6, Lesson 7. So today we are going to practice more adding with new groups. And these problems look a little bit different today because it's going to ask you if you made a new 10 or if you made a new 100. So please make sure you have page 277 in front of you and you have a pencil. When you're ready, we'll go ahead and get started. So we're just going to go through and do our math just like we normally would. And then we're going to take a look at these questions. So please stick with me for a couple problems and then I'll give you an opportunity to try some on your own. So here we go. So you can use any method you want. You can also make a proof drawing if that helps you. I know some of you like to make sure you get the right answers, but your methods should be show all totals, new groups above or new groups below. So we have 6 plus 8. That gives us 14. I'm going to do new groups above. That is my preferred method, but please make sure you use your preferred method. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 7 more is 11. Another new group. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7. So I get an answer of 714. So that's nothing new. We've been doing adding for a very long time now. So the question is, did you make a new 10? And did you make a new 100? Well, my friends, I'm going to show you where you need to look. So for the question of did you make a new 10? If you have a new group in your tens count, either up here or down here, your answer is yes. Did you make a new 100? If you have a 1 in your hundreds count, a new group up top or a new group below, the answer is yes. So these questions might sound a little confusing, but really it's just asking, do you have any new groups? Okay. If you would like to try the rest of this page on your own and then come back when you're done to check your answers, that is totally fine. But you need to make sure that anytime you have a horizontal problem like 2, 3, 5, or 6, you need to make sure you write them up and down. You may not solve them in a horizontal form. Okay? If you want to just write it like this underneath one of the numbers, that's totally fine. That'll save some space. All right, so let's get started on number 2. Again, if you want to zip ahead, go for it. If you want to stay with me, that's fine too. So 3 plus 7, I get an answer of 10. And remember, you should always be adding this on your own as I'm adding it as well. I have a new group right there. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is another 10. A new group right there. And then I have 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 5 more is 7. So did I make a new 100? I mean a new 10? Yes. And did I make a new 100? Yes. All right, number 3. So I'm going to write my 93 under this one just because I like the way that looks better. So here we have 5 plus 3, which is 8. 8 plus 9, which is 17 in a new group, and 1 plus 4, which is 5. So this one looks a little different. Did I make a new 10? No, I did not. And did I make a new 100? Yes, I did. There's my new group. All right, my friends, go ahead and try number 4 on your own. Please pause the video now. All right, let's see how you did. So we have 8 plus 7, which is 15, a new group. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 6 more, doubles fact, is 12, new group. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more is 6. So we get an answer of 625. Did we make a new 10? Yes, right there. And did we make a new 100? Yes, right there. All right, 2 more problems to go on this side. So I'm going to write my 37 right there. I have 7 plus 7, which is 14, new group. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8, no new group. And 3 plus imaginary 0 is 3 for 384. Did I make a new 10? You bet. Did I make a new 100? No, not this time. All right, friends, when you're ready, I want you to try number 6 on your own. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, so here we have 5 plus 7. And 5 plus 7 is 12, new group. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 more is 13, new group. And 1 plus 6 is 7. So did I make a new 10? Yes. And did I make a new 100? Yes. So even though these questions might seem a little confusing, the little trick that I taught you makes it pretty easy to figure out if you made a new 100 or if you made a new 10. When you're ready, let's go ahead and turn the page over. Now, looks very similar. However, it adds one more question. Did you make a new 1,000? Now, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, 1,000? Wow, Mrs. Peterson, these numbers are getting pretty big. But don't worry, I have another trick for you. Okay, so let's start with number 7. You will have the opportunity to go ahead, but we're going to do number 7 and number 8 together. So we have 5 plus 2, which is 7. 9 plus 7, which is 16, new group. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. So did I make a new 10? No. Did I make a new 100? Yes. And did I make 1,000? If you made a new 1,000, your number would be greater than 1,000. And guess what, friends? It is not. So the answer is no. But let's check out number 8. So number 8 is 300 plus 700. You know right away that those are both 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. So I end up getting 1,000. Now, did I make a new 10? Nope. Did I make a new 100? Nope. But did I make a new 1,000? Ding, ding, ding. Look right here in this thousandths town. Yes, I did. All right. If you are ready to go on by yourself, please do. Otherwise, stick with me. Number 9, we have 360 plus 640. You can rewrite this in an up and down equation. We have 0 plus 0, which is 0. 4 plus 6, which is 10, a new group. And 1 plus 6 plus 3, which is 10 again, and another new group. And then I have my 1,000. So we get an even 1,000 again. Now we have to answer our questions. Did I make a new 10? Nope. Go to your hundreds. Did I make a new 100? Yes. And did I make a new 1,000? Yes. Again, at any time, if you want to try these on your own, you are more than welcome to. So we have 823 plus 75. We have 3 plus 5, which is 8. 2 plus 7, which is 9. And 8 plus imaginary 0, which is 8. So did I make a new 10? No. A new 100? No. A new 1,000? Not at all. So no, no, no. All right. You are going to try number 11 and 12 on your own. Please be careful as you do them. When you're ready, press play on the video to check your answers. All right, my loves, let's see how you did. So we have 905 plus 95. And maybe when you started this problem, you could already see the answer. And that's okay. That means you're getting better at your mental math. So we have 5 plus 5, which is 10, new group. 1 plus 0 plus 9, another 10, new group. 1 plus 9 is 10 again, new group. And you bring down your 1 for an answer of 1,000. So look at all these new groups. Did you make a new 10? Yes. Did you make a new 100? You bet. Did you make a new 1,000? Yes, sir. So yes, yes, and yes. And the last one, 587 plus 413. So here we have 7 plus 3, which is 10, new group. 1 plus 8 plus 1, another 10, new group. 1 plus 5 plus 4, another 10, to give us another answer of an even 1,000. And again, woo, all of these new groups. So yes, yes, and yes. All right, friends. So that is the end of our lesson for today, but do not leave yet. You have two options for your math homework assignment today. Your first option is like normal, and you can do Think Central 6.7. So if you want to do that, that's totally fine. However, if you don't feel like doing something on the computer and you want to do something that might be a little more fun, you can work on page 279. On page 279, your job is going to be to find the hidden animal. So I'm covering up my page because I already did all the work and I don't want you to see my answers. But what you're going to do is on the back side of this page, there is a hidden animal. And I'm again not going to show you because I don't want you to know. So your job is to start by coloring the 6 dotted squares. So those are some squares that just need to be colored in. Then what you're going to do is you're going to solve the problems on this paper. And as you solve each problem, you're going to go turn it over and you're going to look for that answer. Once you find that answer, you're going to color in that square and it will reveal a hidden animal. I did not write it right here because I don't want to tell you the answer. I want you to figure it out your own. So you can either do Think Central or you can do page 279. This is page 279. And page 280. If you do this instead of Think Central, you are going to post a picture of your finished, colored in animal and tell me what it is. So 2 options for homework today. If you have questions, log on to Zoom and I can help you. That's it for our lesson today, friends. Great job. We'll see you later.